Good morning! I can't say good morning in a proper way, like... Anyway, it's Friday here and... it's... this video is like gonna be a little get Christmassy with me, and it's the first time I actually do a proper decoration in my apartment, because the last few years, even if I was living alone, I didn't do it. I don't know why, but this year I didn't went a big extra, a tiny bit. I don't have any sweater. I have a Christmas sweater, but I'll reserve it for after, because we're gonna bake gingerbread man. And I'm gonna show what I did to my apartment, like the little makeover. I didn't film, which I should have done, but I forgot. And so I'm just gonna show you, and then we might go for a walk and see the Christmas decoration. And I just have like this is awkward, but yeah, I think this is the first time I've put my phone on there to film, but it's a good background. And it's very greyish today, but it's a Christmas mood, so I think it's now like almost 4 and time to make the cookies, or the gingerbread men, or whatever you call them. I'm going to make them because the dough need to be in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So I'm just going to make the dough, put them in the fridge, and go for a little walk and see all the Christmas decoration, maybe take some pics for Instagram because I'm going with a friend. And yeah, and you can see a little bit of my decorations. I made it myself. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to make that, and yeah, let's put some Christmas music on, and here we go. Darker, so time to go out. I made the cookies, probably have seen it, and this is my little outfit. I just put a coat on, my mask, because I never got out without a mask, and I probably can't see, but they're Converse that I found in my closet. I went back to my parents this weekend, and I found back this. I had this when I was like, I don't know, 13 I guess, and I haven't worn them since then because I completely forgot about them. I just love Converse. They are basic, but yeah, and they are probably can't see, I'll show you, but they are this really cute how can you call it, like pinkish, baby pink, pastel pink, I don't know, they're cute. So we go out. Let it snow. I did something. Oopsie daisy. So I went out with my friend and I just did a bad thing. Not bad, but yeah, well, and I have a Christmas tree, which I didn't plan to have, but I'm just gonna install it, and yeah, I'll just make a pretty Christmas tree. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. I'm so happy. Christmas tree is now waiting like the branches to go down a bit, and I'll decorate it. I have some, but I'll try to start to decorate it tonight. But now it's cookie time. It took quite a while to say it, but anyway, put my best Christmas jumper on. God, it's the ugliest one I have, but we're going, and I don't have a pit roll, so this will do. It's an old white, oh god, I can't talk, white wine, and here we go. But look how cute they are, and I got these ones too that kind of burn, but we move, they're gonna be fine too. But these ones are so cute, and I had one, and they are delish. So I'll link the recipe, and now I think I'm just gonna do the little apartment too, and I got now a Christmas tree, so it's even more Christmassy. It's not really messy, but a tiny bit, so don't mind me. I got my little tree. It's very cute, very small, and yeah, I love it. Bought this little mushroom too, that is super cute. So I just already put it, but I have some more in the box. So I have this like fairy lights for quite a while. You probably have seen it. And I just attached some little bubbles that I found in Primark. And so basically it just goes from there to there, just to give it a bit more, I don't know, it was kind of cool. And then I put a little, I don't know, mistletoe thingy. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, it's pretty cute. I just put it on here. These ones are for Primark. This one is from Flying Tiger, I believe. Move, and we have a bubble tinsel, which is pretty cute, that I put on my ladder. And then this is a real like pine tree that I got. I just cut it when I was back at home because we have loads. And then I put some like false like little like some, oh, it doesn't want to focus, but there are little I don't know, forest thingy, I don't know how to call them, but they're cute. And I have this one little Christmas Santa that I got from my mom. And then we have this little fairy lights that I got in Flying Tiger too. So Flying Tiger is really good for Christmas decorations. I got this star in Primark, and then this one's from my mom. And basically for this I just took a little wood branch and I attached, like you can see there, I attached some pine branches, and it looks quite great. And then I put it just this, just put a string, and it was done. And I think it looks quite cool. And I was very proud because I didn't used to be like do it yourself and didn't used to build things, but I think I quite like it. So I'm gonna try to do it more often. And in my mezzanine we have again some things that I took in the woods. So basically some pine trees, some mistletoe that are attached behind, so you can't see when you're from there, but it's attached, otherwise it would fall very easily. And I just put a little fairy lights that I had from Flying Tiger too, and I have one from there too. So yeah, this is, I haven't never shown, but this is where I sleep. And there's basically just my bed and a side table. And yeah, this one is from Primark. I got it 2 years ago or last year, I can't remember. I think it was 2 years ago, but yeah, it's from Primark. And yeah, this is my apartment, looking very festive. And I got this little duvet in Flying Tiger too, which I love. So yeah, I'll need to decorate this one. I'll do it a bit later, but this is pretty much it. And I'm really happy about my apartment. It looks so great. Yeah, I think basically for me, Christmas means fairy lights. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, I like the mood that it gives to my apartment. Very cozy, very sweet. And yeah, I hope you like this video because it was a bit messy. I didn't expect to get a Christmas tree, but we got one and I like it. And I just hope you'll find some inspiration in this little video. And just tell me if you have any other ideas for like kind of do-it-yourself thingy, because I kind of want a Christmas wreath here around the door or behind, but I can't find anywhere like pretty ones. So if you have any idea, just tell me, and I would love to have your advice on other do-it-yourself. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and me and my very ugly sweater all wishing you a good week.